I'm here because of my colleague, my half colleague. You know this life, eh? Some people, when you keep them quiet, they feel you're stupid. They feel you don't know what to say. They feel they know how to talk. They don't know how to talk. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, my darlings. I'm seeing all of you. I'm seeing all of you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Good evening. Yeah, it's my 15th. It's my active 15th year on screen. And I've been planning. And my show is going to be like a concert. It's going to be like a live on stage. It's massive. If you know me, you will know I do big things a lot. And I don't do things because people do it. I do things because I want to do them. I would have come to insult this stupid fool. I would have come here to tell her a life story. As I'm here now, I suppose they bring out a lot. When B say we'll see for outside. As we be now. But I too big passer. I too big passer. I don't want to mention her name. Everybody know her name. She go delete the posts. Don't delete her more. People carry them. I carry them. You see, carry my own. So they know say that me and you they dig them. I come advise you. If now some people dey the situation where you dey, so madam, they go enter their shell. They go shut up. They go mind their business. They go keep quiet. They go shut up. When people they talk, they go bang. I know you know consign me, consign you. If I am the one that started this fight that you're about to cause now, that you're about to bring, God will judge me. But if I don't even know say you they exist, you just carry the find with your bone you won't talk, with your bone you won't do. If I face you, enough face you where you vanish. As I don't leave you, so people just bizu. I want bizu whoever na me who exists. You don't go hide yourself. You dey crazy. What's your problem? Why can't you just stay without trouble? Why can't you just stay focused? Focus on your life. 2020 don't see come out. Focus on your life now, sister. We mumu. What is wrong with you, madam? What is your problem? You just they use your hand and leg, they find wahala. Waiting now. You waiting now. You dey crazy. You no get sense. You don't mind your business. You don't cause wahala for the whole industry. People still leave you. We know who you be. We know you. Everybody know who you be. Even those you call your friends knows you. Una know una self. No, many people don't tell me these words. I don't want to see. I don't want you to say you big past this thing. No, man, I'm not trying. Because if they post rubbish, you know, they go their page, go they tell them, say, no, they post nonsense. I was on my own. We are not even friends on Facebook, for God's sake. We are not friends on Facebook. I don't see your fucking shit. Yanga go just sleep, trouble go wake up. Who know that stupid mumu na advice oh? No, we be now come so. If una they talk, I not go. See, the reason why I'm having this conversation this evening, my godmother called me. Sorry, guys. My godmother called me, and she's one woman I respect so much. I too go love her. I dey respect her. She called me to beg me to let go. May I not send them. May I leave her. May I not talk. May I just quietly just do my show finish. If I want to say anybody, before I want to say anybody. if una know me for this industry, forget wetin haters they talk about me. Nobody good reach me for this industry. Now only few persons I know say get like my mind. Only few. Now I get like my kind of heart, my kind of mind. No, they too, and I'm proud of it. Anybody that have come close to me, you'll say you no benefit from me one way or the other, then you are a liar. I just did on my own. You just go your Facebook page, go the right, say I never reached 15 years for industry. You dey mad? I be your mate. What was your mate telling you? That I come yesterday. Are you high? Person wey carry me enter industry, they are alive. Oh. People with me and they the same crew for this industry, they are alive. Ask them the year when Bonnie come industry. This is my 15th year. And even if not 12 years as you claim, I be your mate. The first one I do not do, you don't do half. As we they pay artists, fair or let you pay artists like that, you they crazy. You don't get sense. We just say more keep quiet. I know my mate. I know me and I go say with they mad. Madam, respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself. Go back and check the movies I've done in the past. I just start my movie. Go back and ask. I'm not your mate. If you are depressed, go and look for a job. If you are frustrated, go and work. And mind you, I go do live video for your head plenty. And I'm waiting for you. I can't buy my way. Because I just keep you quiet, you feel who are going to say a blogger, you dey crazy. Blogger, you don't get views. Blogger, you don't get comments. Blogger, you don't get likes. The comments you dey see now, if person comment lovely, you'll say thanks, it go be 2. If person say nice, you'll say thanks, it go be 4. If person say oh nice, well, you go say you no get sense. I'm not a blogger, I'm an entertainer, but your page for this life, no, if you reach out of my own. Bad belly. What be your problem with me? And you go where you with her. And you go where you pay musician. And you go where you decorate. And you go me invite marry. What is your problem? Why be say what your body do for this industry? Now they beat you, now they cry. And you make one anniversary. I'm not the first that started this anniversary thing. I just bring my eye view now won't die. Wow, now die. This Bini on the 29th of December. Bini go shake. Bini go the shake. Bini go the shake. You go carry BP, you go tired. You go carry high blood pressure, you go tired. You go take drugs, you go tired. BP drugs for sale. Me they sell. If na person can't be like as the guns you be, so you say you don't carry sickness. So now the social media, boy, we have me when I go no man be my own one. My dad will wear. If you say we know they see the way you can't be. If na me, everybody can't be like that as you be. So hey, this world go end. Respect yourself, young woman. You are doing too much. All your hard work for this industry, we they know. We they see you. We they know what you they do. You know what we do? They leave you because you know rich. You know rich. Do Guale views. Do Onwami views. You come meet me. Say, I head bone. You take the run. I go tell you. If you just reach a bone, you now won't die. If you don't reach a bone, you now won't craze. What be your problem? What's your stress? What's your problem? Yes, oh, my sister. Pato Diamond, they be a woman. Wait, see, I do now. My sister, my brothers and sisters, when they watch me here, oh, you guys must see my armpit here, no D. I was on my own where this stupid girl go write for her page. Say, na so you want do nene. Now so some people they lie about their anniversary. Are you mad? One lie to you as waiting now. Cause say I don't be 15 years when I never reach 15 years. Who were mwere de gbotoa? Face your life, babe. Face your life. Leave me for waste. What I do you? Imagine what kind, imagine what get there. What I do you? What be your problem? You this girl. If you get depression, go walk. Oh man, no me win I think me. Oh man, no me win I me no man. Go look for job now. Go and look for job. Go and work. Keep yourself busy. Don't make benefits about that be even benoni. Umoye social media ne. Ulo there you be need you they look person ya show open for ground. If you open your page you're wrong. Leave me for waste now. If you like me as a friend, if you like me as a person, if you want me, I'm not stopping you. I'm not your enemy. You are not my friend. Please. Now you know what it dare you for life, oh. What's happen? I don't struggle for this industry. I don't carry people up. People don't betray me several times. I still stand. Una fi say I go for. No. I'm a builder. You know rich. We must say ye. We must say. If na person they do blogging, mumu blogging where you they do, where you not take go front, not take go back, your day live video, you'll get 30 views. Check out my page. Once I enter live video, my fans they can't watch me. Then they enjoy me. They talk nonsense. We need a one move. We need a move. What don't you need a what don't? Face your life, auntie. Face your life. I go follow you up. I go follow you up where? You don't to call my name. You don't to drag my name. Come out. You don't to drag my name. And they keep you quiet. My sister, you got lelewe. Why I love social media. And I go ready for anything. Nothing. You see this social media? What would they so? Forget oh. I don't know it. And see my dog liquor. Ugata mame. Bo for you. Itamawe. Atamegbe. Una babo ore ye bebo ye gue. Asilegbe aria wa ilala. Evani on isena. Wa ilala wa silegbe aria. You are very stupid. Yanga go just sleep. Trouble go wake up. No, as in my brother, tire. Your one day your own, they won't drag you come out. Your day your own, they won't drag you come out. Imune de agwa gboa. Egbegirwe, mo me gbe sameyi. Now do well, my people. I say I can't tell you now. Mo na see this idiot who carry my leg come out this evening. I did my own. I just tired. I did my own this evening. Oma come we ma boru no su gbo we. Huh? I do my own, they plan my things. They to do as I want to settle myself for this anniversary one do because it's too big. My anniversary too large. Now all I carry. Body hotel. Before now, sister say na free, they take give me. Before now, sister say everything I do na free that day. Because mommy go ya wa. They go punish you. I know. See, this live video, I don't mention your name, oh. Just try nonsense. That cheap popularity when you want I give you, I go give you, and I go disguagua you on live video. What do you want to talk about me? Oh, everybody they do runs. She they do runs. She want to run, stay back. She want to run, stay to this one. You know they do. You know they do runs. If now me now they travel, they go abroad, they go, come back, they go, come back. Hey, Bonio, na runs she go they do for abroad though. But if you not do now clean out. If everybody do, now won't die. Is it not a sign that I'm bigger than you people? You know, it's a sign. Because you're always talking about ebony. Ebony, ebony, there, ebony, we ebony, there, ebony, everywhere. Huh? So please, anybody when you're right, any nonsense comments here, I block your fucking ass. Yeah. I know my real fans. I know my real fans. Everybody that have come across me in this industry, I've impacted positively into their life, into their career, in one way or the other. Yes, oh my dear Olivia. Everybody that runs they do for a year. Oh, if you are doing well, na runs they do. If you are doing well, you forget, say, before anybody for this industry, I had a building, a full house, when I forget my bar business and restaurants. You forget. Say that my hands, now I take do maintain on all of una come. I use that bar to do my movie. What's it called? Odag money. Go and watch it. That's my bar. Rubbish. Open fake account. They talk nonsense. They write trash. If you just involve everybody, you won't die. Why you won't kill yourself? Don't kill yourself. Oh, don't kill yourself. Everybody industry is going nowhere. You see this industry will die here. Yeah, oh, make way, oh, me. I won't agree. Everybody know what he wants. I know what I want. I know what I want. You know your people, I know my people. You get your people, I get my people. So the boy of a kure, man. Your boy of a kure, name no quiet the boom. Because you all know they too much, eh? And I did wait for your response. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. Every second, every minute. Everybody matter. Everybody matter won't kill you. You won't die for everybody matter. You will die away for nothing. Kill you for nothing. You will die. Who are you because of person matter? You just sleep, you know, wake up because of person matter. Can't you just shut up? Can't you just keep quiet? Please. Please, oh. I'm warning you. I'm warning you. I'm not here. I'm not mentioning your name now. I have not mentioned your name. That's because you did not mention my name. But I know I am the one you're talking to because I am the only one doing anniversary right now in the Benin industry. No other person. Maybe my next live video, your name will be mentioned. And I will tell you and I will give you the peace of my mind, really. Because enough is enough for you. I am warning you. I am warning you. I am warning you. Stay away from my case. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm not the only one that have done a anniversary in this industry. People do. Una keep quiet. You reach a bone, una won't die. And I never even start. You see this industry? I'll celebrate 15 years now. We are 20 years anniversary. Who are like we are go in my say 20 years now. You know, they cut my ears, follow me. Or do why no be no. If you say you get work, if you don't even see my post today, that woman winner. You don't go see my post today. But because you are jobless, you the phone say we not be friends on Facebook. But if I post anything, you are the first to go and see it. What's your problem? Oh, it shock you, Abby. It shock you. It never shock you. Relax. Videos there, like I said, we go make you get heart attack on the 30th of December. Because me get me up with Facebook. Me can't get me up with nonsense human being. What's your problem? What's your stress? What's your stress, for God's sake? What is your problem? Can't you just mind your business? What's your own? Don't joke for anything, Ebony. For anything, Ebony. For anything, Ebony. Waiting happen. Waiting Ebony do now. Now me now because of the industry. You are in the industry, I'm in the industry. Mind your business, I mind my business. Do your own, I do my own. Shock when I say I want to do Amabi. I want to do Amo Badi Hotel on the 29th. Benin City go shut down. Just go and get BP drugs ready because you're going to have an heart attack. Obviously, you will. I say you know get sense will give you sense. You go delete the post and we get her. It there with me. I have it. I have it. I procure carry an Abi. It shock you. I don't know what your problem is. I don't know. I'm your number one problem in this industry. And if it is me, my daddy, I'm sorry. I'm going to give you hot. Because you see me, I'm not ready to wait for you to pass me. It's not possible. Hello? So, my people, now I say my call explain to you now. Make una see o, say una celebrity crush, no know wetin they see for her body o. I was on my own. When my colleague carry my matter say na so I want to do 15 years anniversary, he say I cut journal. No be you carry me come industry, no be you register me. If they pay you say I did 15 years in the industry, okay, shock you abi. You never see anything. Rubbish. Before I continue with her own, with her that and nonsense write up, my people, please we made a mistake with the time. It's not a night party, it's a day party. What's her name on Facebook? I will not mention her name on Facebook. That cheap popularity where she wants, I'm not going to give her. I'm sorry, darling, but I will not mention her name. You know, I'm not mention her name. Ilawagbo. Who they make you the vest? It's okay. So guys, on the 29th of December is my 15th year anniversary on screen, and time is 1 p.m. in the afternoon, not night. Please, the designer made a mistake, but it will be corrected by tomorrow. So I'm going to post the real time tomorrow. So please, so it's 1 p.m. guys, 1 p.m. So please, you are all invited. You know, as a human being, we should be happy for each other. I really don't like talking about my colleagues, except the ones that are my friends. I don't just sit down and start talking about people. Why should I talk about people? That time, I will use it for better things. Yes. All these my commenters are not kill me. So please, like I said, I don't like talking about my colleagues. I don't like discussing them. Thank you, Lisa Ivy. Thank you so much. I don't like talking about my colleagues. I don't like it, especially those that we are not very close. No. I only talk about my close past or people in the industry. Mind you, everybody cannot be your friends. It's not possible. Even on this live video, not everybody actually like me for real here. It's the fact. Everybody cannot like you. I'm used to that fact already. I'm used to it. And you mustn't like me. No. Because you like or hate me, it doesn't mean anything to me. If you like me, it's fine. If you don't, it's fine as well. But just be on your lane. Hello? Safa, I do in real live video. You have to wait back. No, it's okay. It's okay. Maybe if you forgetting in the, if you forgetting in the concert, there magba. So you even have my way. Your say. But it's okay. You on Of course, no, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No wala. Alright, ma. Okay, ma. Okay. You see, my people don't like wala. They say, man, leave her. We don't rest. But I go leave her. Oh. I go leave her. May I do my show first. Thank you, Eva Candy. Thank you, darling. Thank you. Thank you, Eva. That's my colleague, turned sister. Of course, I have a lot of people that are my friends in this industry. Come on now. I don't know. If you're not my friend, that's to say you're envious of me. Because I don't get wahala with anybody. I don't get wahala. You see, as it so. If you can't put matter, I can't for head dog. At the end of the day, my enemy good go see kill me. Kill my enemy, not be me. So, my darling, God is on my side. My sister, I tire, Mrs. Obaseki, I tire. I do on my own. When they just carry the right nonsense for Facebook. Now so I never reached 15 years for industry. Now so now 2080. Now so if you like, you don't be 1 million years in the industry. It's your business. A year no where ma kene. Or he me man we. And I don't want to know the year when you come. Because as far as I'm concerned, you are not an actor. You are not nothing. You are nothing. I don't understand. I beg you. I use God beg you. I use God beg you because I be ready to give you back to back till on the 29th of December. I ready for you for this industry, for this page. I ready for you before, but because of my elder sister and my godmother, I will just let it slide. But I'm watching you. My eyes are on you. In fact, we are not friends on Facebook, but page you where me I came in and killed here because me I not be one whether you I don't know whether you get page or you don't get page. So me just monitor your page. Then when we can be money, why monitor anything you just write here, some of the screenshots and give me. I'll they report them for my page. That's how they do you now. So that make them know say you be witch. Make them know. Be careful, young woman. Be very careful. And I will drop it there because of my godmother and my elder sister, and of course my younger sister. Those are the people I respect so much. I respect them. Be careful. Be very careful because I'm very mad at you right now. I've never been this mad before. Be very careful with me. Manage your business. Face your life. You are mature enough to face your life, my friend. Face it, boy. That's the fact. If you are too conscious about what people do, how they do, what they do, where they do, you will not have time for yourself. This is 2021. No be this one here only you. This one here only you. This one here only you. Waiting. Wow. They suffer you, sister we mumu. They suffer you. They suffer you. No be only me want do anniversary for this industry. No be me go sing it down. I don't know what my things they high. I mean them when Lasha is a sign that I'm doing very well and I'm so proud of it. Yeah, I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of the woman I've grown to be. Because you know easy. You know easy. If you dare my shoe, you go wrong. This is why they do for people. If you do half, you run, you vanish. So how they talk, you see they talk. Nonsense. So guys, yes, I'm chilling. They'll not post the nonsense, they'll go delete them. I don't feel love in one man. So guys, as I was saying, I'm forgiving her nonsense. No matter. It's okay, no, I'm forgiving them. I'm forgiving their stupidity. But the screenshot of the post is with me. I have it. And thank God say I propose carry on. So anytime, any day, hey mamito! Mamito! That's Joyosa! Mamito, hi mama. How are you? Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. How are you, mama? Are you okay? I miss you, darling. I miss you, darling. I miss you. I know give you a handle. I hear my darling. The way you distract me, oh, imagine I want to do show now. Person just come out as one of the corner. You won't distract me. You can never distract me. Never. You can never rebuke you in the name of Jesus. A show now talking about talking among. Oh, here we need Jesus. This show, except that you give money, when I take rent, when I take pay music, when I take decorate, when I take do cake, when I take do everything for this show. Now your witch go fit stop. But if you don't give me 1 naira, I don't owe you 1 naira. God will disgrace you. God will disgrace you. God will disgrace you. I can't tell you. So guys, please, the show is on. The show is on the 29th of December 2020 at Badi Badi Hotel. The time is 1 p.m. It's a day show. It's a day show. Come celebrate with Ebony. And those of my fans abroad, I beg. Eno Daniel Siva Candy, Lisa Ivy, Joyce Ogiamie, Pamela Yuki, Blessing Ekoragbo, all my fans that are here, those who want to mention their name, I beg. Una need to support me for this show. You need to send your gifts. You need to send your support. Since you are not coming, your support should come. May your support come, ASAP. From next week, please, start sending your support. Hey, my bloodline. How are you, baby? How are ya? Adesia, Lisa Ivy, Daosa, my baby, my boo, my sugar. Adesia, I love you, girl. And when I'm working again, I know. So, guys, on the 29th is a goal. Is a sealed date that God has blessed. God is going to bless that date. Nothing will stop it. Nothing will stop that show. That show will come out well by the grace of God. Any hand that wants to tamper with that show, any enemy, any hater, wherever they are, that want to distract that show from holding, as you try, you will die. As they try, they will die. That is how it will be for them this night. Because my mama say, Gioma. Okay. My WhatsApp number. Okay, no problem. You will call me work. Okay, I will say just inbox me. I will send you my WhatsApp number. So you guys, who is going to send me something? I want to pin my account number here. Oh. I want to pin my account detail now. So send your support. Just inbox me. Anything you want to give to me is allowed. Because I'm celebrating. I'm celebrating big. 15th year anniversary. No easy. You know easy. So please send your gifts. Send your support. Send your support wherever you are in the world. All my fans. Mona no run oh. Why I say me I don't know. Mona support me oh. Wherever you are, fans, please support me. Support your girl. Yes, so Eno. I know you have it. I know you have it, so send it to. Very important. Very, very important. So, no, it shouldn't be only marriage. Why go be only marriage? No, now. As I want to show, so now support you. Wherever you are, Ivy pass there. Hi, baby. Ivy, send my support. Come on. For this my anniversary. No, I not do live video that day. Oh, never. I'm going to upload on my channel, so you go and watch it on my channel. You go and watch it on my channel on that day. I not do live video. I won't do live video on that day. I will do it. I will put it on my channel. So it's going to be season 1 to season whatever. I will support you. Thank you so much. No, Avi, I pray. Who shall be if I be billion? I love you too, darling. If you mama, I love you. No serve people food. No, send your gifts. No worry. After the live video, I go block there. I don't want